That was. But what really kicked off day 5 was this amazing show by Nakita Singh and Tahveeb and Sumodeep Datta. You guys did amazingly well. Y'all were nervous, but it did not show. Your collections were absolutely stunning. I would love to hear actually from Nakita if you could, tell us what inspired this collection this time around.
So this time the collection is called The Wilderness. It's been inspired by botanical. So we've got a lot of creepers and leaves as inspiration, which you can see on the embroideries. And it's a very doodle sketchy inspiration that we've taken. The color range is greens and all of that. And we worked with, since I'm from Bengal, so I work with a lot of handlooms, which is silk, khadis and all of that. So,
Thanks, Nakita.
thank you.
Sumodeep, your collection was amazing. It was just exuded a lot of Zen-like calm, and that's what even Gurmeet, when he was walking the ramp, he looked so calm. He looked like in his element. We got to see a little bit when he was interacting with the media as well. Could you tell us what exactly was the inspiration behind this collection?
The collection I've done, is called, it's named Alo, which means light in Bengali. So, darkness is the perfect setup for light to be born. Without darkness, there's no light. So even the lotus grows on mud, which is kichar. In the worst conditions, the best things arise. So it's inspired from even the Buddhism, where Gautam Buddha says you have to you have to live in this material world and be spiritual like a lotus, rise above the material world. So it's inspired from that. It has a lot of Buddhism inspiration, so you can see the drapes and all coming like the Buddhist monks wear. And that's why the collection is in like dark, like darkness. And then we have red, which depicts the soul, inside, or the lotus rising. And I've used Bengal silks in handloom, and I've actually combined Bengal and Orissa this time. So the ikkats are Orissa Sambalpuri ikkats, and I've combined them with Bengal handloom silks, silk muslins, and that's how the collection has been made.
It was a beautiful collection. Even everything from the music also. It was just going hand in hand with the entire show. Really, really well thought of completely.
Thank you.
Gurmeet, what was it like when Somadeep called you up and he's like, hey, I want you to walk the ramp for me?
वेल सोमोदीप का जब मुझे कॉल आया तो ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट विच इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग और उन्होंने कहा कि हमें आप इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि आपकी एक तो अच्छी बॉडी है और फेस में बहुत शांत है, आपका फेस बहुत शांत है और बॉडी शॉडी अच्छी है, तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत कम मिलता है। तो इन्होंने बहुत तारीफ़ कर दी, बड़े टाइम के बाद किसी ने तारीफ़ की थी जोक्स अपार्ट। लेकिन जो आपने आज देखा, एक्चुअली मैं बैक स्टेज सोमोदीप को ये बोल रहा था कि मैंने अपने कपड़े ज़रूर देखे थे, लेकिन जब आपका जो कलेक्शन मैंने देखा, आउटस्टैंडिंग, बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो आप एक काम कीजिए, 10-15 घर में रख दीजिएगा, क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ बंगाल की हैं, तो हम दिवाली में, दुर्गा पूजा में ये ज़रूर पहनते हैं। और क्योंकि कैलकाटा से आप हैं और इसीलिए एक कहते हैं ना, जमाई वहाँ का हूँ, तो एक और कनेक्शन था और बड़ा इन्जॉय किया मैंने।
You looked also like you were having fun throughout. I mean, the fact that you made the photographers day on day 5 by taking pictures with them is just, thank you so much for that. That's all for me. You guys did a stellar job. We look forward to your collections next time again at Lakme Fashion Week. I'm opening the floor to questions. Media, if you have any. Okay then, they're going to keep it for their one-on-ones, for sure.
Do what?
Interviews.
चलो।
Perfect. So could we have Gurmeet and Somadeep stay back? We have a couple of interactions lined up. Okay,
Fantastic.
thank you.